This is a demonstration of the Dimbulb Current Limiting Cable. This helps if an amp has been turned off for months or years. This will allow it to power up safely by limiting the current, reforming the capacitors, and not blowing the fuse. So I'll start by plugging in an amp with the power off. When I turn the power on, the small wattage bulb should light up if the fuse is not blown. The amp is plugged in, turn the power, this bulb lights up. That's good so far. Now I'll add the 100-watt bulb. This means that the fuse is not blown, but that's all it means. And now I'll add the 100-watt bulb. Once I add the 100-watt bulb, if the amp is shorted, once I add the 100-watt bulb, if the amp is shorted, the light will be bright. But instead it goes off, and this goes off. This is actually dim, but you can't see it because it's a low wattage amp. But this one goes off. That's what's important. Unscrew this 100-watt bulb. That guy comes back on. That's what a good amp looks like. I'll show you what a shorted amp looks like. This is a dead short. When I plug the dead short in, this light lights up, just like when the amp was good. This light lights bright. That's a dead short. So if the amp is ever a dead short, this light will light up. But it limits the current to less than 1 amp, so the fuse won't blow in the amp. And now you can test the amp to find out where the current is going without blowing the fuse or doing more harm to the amp.